Hi friends, welcome to our channel Steps for Success. Today we discuss about the another problem of ratio analysis. Let's start the video. Lecture number 3. Following is the trading and profit and loss account of Pooja Limited. The following is given only trading and profit and loss account. This is our question. You are required to calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio, operating cost ratio, administration expenses ratio, financial expenses ratio, selling and distribution expenses ratio, non-operating expenses ratio, stock turnover ratio, and non-operating income ratio. Okay, this is our question. Let's start the solution. First one, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is gross profit upon net sales into 100. Gross profit is 4 lakh. Net sales 10 lakh. Four lakh upon 10 lakh into 100. How much? 40%. Gross profit ratio is 40%. Next, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is net profit upon net sales into 100. Net profit how much? Net profit is 1,68,000. 1,68,000. Net sales 10 lakh into 100. 1,68,000 upon 10 lakh into 100 is 16.80%. Net profit ratio is 16.80%. Next, operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio is 100 minus operating ratio. First we find out operating ratio. Operating ratio is cost of goods sold plus operating expenses upon net sales into 100. First we find out cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is sales minus gross profit. Sales 10 lakh, gross profit 4 lakh. 10 lakh minus 4 lakh, 6 lakh. Cost of goods sold is 6 lakh. Operating expenses. What are the operating expenses? Administration expenses, financial expenses, and selling and distribution expenses. These are operating expenses. Administration expenses 2,02,000 plus 14,000 plus 24,000. 2,40,000. Upon net sales 10 lakh into 100. 6 lakh plus 2,40,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. How much? 84%. 84% is operating ratio. Operating profit ratio is 100 minus operating ratio 84. 100 minus 84 is 16%. Operating profit ratio is 16%. Next, operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is 100 minus operating profit ratio. 100 minus operating profit ratio, how much we find out? 16%. 100 minus 16, 84%. Operating cost ratio is 84%. Next, administration expenses ratio is administration expenses upon net sales into 100. How much administration expenses? Administration expenses is 2,02,000. 2,02,000 upon net sales 10 lakh into 100. How much? 2,02,000 upon 10 lakh into 100, 20.20, 20.20 is administration expenses ratio. Next, financial expenses ratio. Financial expenses ratio is financial expenses upon net sales into 100. Financial expenses amount is 14,000. 14,000, net sales 10 lakh into 100. How much? 14,000 upon 10 lakh into 100, 1.4%. Finance expenses ratio is 1.4%. Next, selling and distribution expenses ratio. How much selling and distribution expenses? 24,000. 24,000 upon net sales 10 lakh into 100. How much? 24,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. 2.40%. Next, non-operating expenses ratio. Non-operating expenses ratio is equals to non-operating expenses upon net sales into 100. What are the non-operating expenses? Non-operating expenses are these: loss on sale of fixed assets and provision for legal suit. These are non-operating expenses. Total 700 plus 3,300 is 4,000. 4,000 upon net sales 10 lakh into 100. 4,000 upon 10 lakh into 100, 0.4% non-operating expenses ratio. Next, stock turnover ratio. Stock turnover ratio is cost of goods sold upon average stock. Cost of goods sold is sales minus gross profit. How much sales? Sales 10 lakh, gross profit 4 lakh. 10 lakh minus 4 lakh, 6 lakh. 6 lakh cost of goods sold. Average stock. Average stock is opening stock plus closing stock upon 2. Opening stock 1,52,500 plus closing stock 1,97,000 upon 2. How much? 1,74,750. 6 lakh upon 1,74,750 is 3.43 times. Stock turnover ratio is 3.43 times. Next, non-operating income ratio. Non-operating income ratio is non-operating incomes. What are the non-operating incomes? Non-operating incomes are interest on securities, dividend on shares, profit on sale of shares. These are the non-operating incomes. How much? 3,000 plus 7,500 plus 1,500. Total 12,000. Non-operating income 12,000 upon net sales 10 lakh into 100. 12,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. 1.20%. Non-operating income ratio is 1.20%. This is our solution for this question. I hope you can understand this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.